96 रुपीज। मेरे पैर सो गए। Artificial jewelry, of course. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya and I hope you and your family are doing great. As promised in my last video that I'm gonna show you my recent purchase jewelry haul. I bought more than 20 pieces. All these jewelry pieces are starting from 96 rupees to 350 rupees. The quality, the designs, everything is Pinterest inspired and like super duper trendy. So once I'll show you, you will fall in love with all these pieces. So guys, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना because I'm going to be sharing care guide for jewelry. Basically, what all important points you have to keep in mind when you buy artificial jewelry. Something happened with my newly bought jewelry on my vacation, so that I'm going to share. और मैं jewelry piece भी आपको दिखाऊंगी by the end of the video. तो तब तक आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए and don't miss that out. All right, let me just start with the first jewelry piece. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? आप देख सकते हो like I have so many. These are just like half. बहुत सारे पड़े हैं. So slowly I'm gonna show it to you. Let's start with the first one. I want to show you my favorite jewelry piece first. Let me just see where is that. Yeah, found it. So first one is this multi-color necklace जो मैंने लिया है Savannah से. This is like a statement necklace. It's everywhere on my Pinterest. I so want to wear it on my vacation, but you know it got delivered very late. But no worries, I'm gonna wear it on my next vacation. I mean, just look at it. It has every element I love. It has fish, evil eye, elephant, sun, pearl, strawberry, and a heart. I love the design, and I would rate it a 10 on 10. And you don't have to wait for a beach vacation to wear it. You can wear it every day, and it will look amazing. Just give you an idea how it's gonna look when you wear it. So this is how it's gonna look, and it looks so nice. I'm gonna wear it with the white shirt with like the first button open. It's gonna look amazing. इसका प्राइस सुनकर you will be shocked. I got on buy one get one जो अभी भी चल रहा है इसके ऊपर. So if you want to buy it, the buy one get one sale is on Savannah. It's for 590 rupees and I got one in 295 rupees. So it is worth it. So second is this combo of 3 earrings that I got from Meesho and it's for only rupees 193. I am so shocked. मीशो की ज्वेलरी इज़ अमेजिंग. सवाना एंड मीशो जितना मैंने शॉपिंग किया बिकॉज आई एम अ ज्वेलरी एडिक्ट. जब से मुझे ये क्रेज़ हुआ है ज्वेलरी ख़रीदने का, आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी ऑफ कोर्स, जब से मुझे क्रेज़ हुआ है तब से मैंने बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी ले ली है. अमेज़ॉन, सवाना, मीशो. बट जो अफोर्डेबल एंड गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो मुझे मीशो और सवाना पे दिखे हैं. अमेज़ॉन पे रिंग्स आर ग्रेट, मीशो पे बैंगल्स, कड़ाज एंड ईयरिंग्स आर लाइक ग्रेट. एंड सवाना में जो पेंडेंट्स हैं, नेक पीसेस हैं, दोज आर ग्रेट. लाइक ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. कमिंग बैक टू दिस कॉम्बिनेशन, यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल एंड डेलिकेट दीज ईयरिंग्स आर. These will go with everything you wear, like everything on daily basis. आप casual डाल रहे हो, you are going to office, you are going for a brunch, these will go with everything. This is the close up. अगर मुझे रात को कहीं जाना है I'll wear this. अगर मुझे दिन में कहीं जाना है I'll wear this. और अगर मुझे रात या दिन में दोनों टाइम मुझे कहीं पे जाना है then I'll wear this. Also guys, बीच में I want to ask you how my hair are looking. Guess what? I use that heatless curling tool and honestly it worked magically. This is the third day. 2 दिन पहले मैंने किए थे और मेरे हेयर इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. इट लुक्स सो वेवी एंड हीटलेस कर्ल्स गाइज, हीटलेस कर्ल्स. यू डोंट हैव टू डैमेज योर हेयर एनी मोर. ट्राई दैट आउट. आई एम गोना शेयर द वीडियो ऑल्सो एंड see it for yourself. It is super easy to use and works like magic. और मेरे पैर सो गए. Oh shit, उठ जाओ. Sun is about to set again. I've chosen the same time. 5 बज गए हैं और like I have to finish this video like in next 40 minutes maximum. और मेरे पैर सो गए. मम्मी थर्ड पीस दिखाती हूँ. ये भी मेरा फेवरेट है. सब फेवरेट है गाइस, सब फेवरेट है. मैं अपनी ज्वेलरी बहुत सोच समझ के लेती हूँ. लिटरली इतनी सारी पीसेस में से गिनती हूँ, चुनती हूँ, रिसर्च करती हूँ. काश मैं ये सब रिसर्च अलग चीज़ों में करती. मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत खुश रहते. बट मेरे शौक यही है. फिलहाल का शौक तो ज्वेलरी है. दीज आर वेरी प्रिटी बीच एंकलेट्स. ये देखकर मुझे जितना अच्छा लगा था उतना ही बुरा लगा कि ये तो डिजर्व करती थी मैं पहनना. लाइक इट हैज़ अ स्टारफिश एंड लुक्स सो नाइस. द क्वालिटी इज़ प्रीमियम. ये आउट ऑफ ऑल सबसे महंगा है. एंड गेस व्हाट कि महंगे में भी ये कितना महंगा है. दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर 390 रुपीज़. तो इसमें आते हैं 7 एंकलेट्स बट आई रिसीव 3. बट आई डोंट माइंड एट ऑल बिकॉज आई रियली लव दीज. मुझे सब में से ये 3 ही अच्छे लग रहे थे एंड दीज आर द वंस आई रिसीव्ड. सो वन हैज़ दीज बिग पर्ल्स like all white, the other one has a mix of different kind of pearls like smaller in size and a very pretty starfish. The third one has these goldenish pearls or beads. This looks amazing and worth it है guys. आप भी अगर Pinterest पे देखो कि beach anklet, सबसे पहले you will get this option, so steal the deal. Coming to the fourth piece, मैं इसको डिटैंगल कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बहुत बुरे तरीके से एंटैंगल हो गया है. टेंटन, इट्स अ वेरी प्रीटी मल्टी लेयर हार्ट नेकलेस एंड this is a statement piece in itself. Like, look how pretty and delicate it is. It has so many small hearts plus this big heart. I really like this. It's like super lightweight and I guess हर दिन पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा piece है. Guys, this is how it's gonna look when you wear it and it's only for rupees 159. जल्दी से ले लो because it's the best deal. Alright, so now coming to the fifth piece. This is a very pretty waist chain. Y2K fashion is back guys and this is something that reminded me of 2000s and I am super excited to wear this. It's a beautiful delicate waist chain and it has so many cute butterflies and studs on it. आप इसको jeans के ऊपर डाल सकते हो, skirts के ऊपर डाल सकते हो और maybe just wrap around your waist. It's for only rupees 190. Basically I got on discount, but if you want to buy jewelry from Savannah, buy it when there's sale going on. It's the best time to buy jewelry because generally the products are on buy one get one or like 50% discount or like 60% discount, so it's the best time to shop from Savannah. Let's move on to the sixth piece and it's a very beautiful back chain. This is something which I wanted to wear. If you have a backless dress, it's gonna look amazing and I have so many backless dresses and I can't wait to wear this one. ये ना आपकी look को एकदम से elevate कर देगा and when I wear it, I'm gonna show you, but right now I'm gonna put the picture from the app to give you a reference. And the reason why I bought this one in particular is I love pearls. I'm a sucker for pearls. जिस भी चीज़ पे pearls होता है, I have sort of inclination towards those things. So that's the major reason I bought this pearl back chain. I got for only rupees 214. Seventh is this bangle from Meesho and सब में से सबसे सस्ता आइटम is this. I got for only rupees 96, under rupees 100 and I'm so shocked because the quality is really amazing. It looks so nice और ये मैंने अपने वेकेशन पे पहना था तो मैं इसकी पिक्चर लगा देती हूँ. Let me show you. This is how it looks. It is super easy to wear. Coming to the eighth piece and it's the star of the show. I mean it looks so chic. ये कल ही आया है and I swear I have fallen in love with this one. It looks absolutely stunning. I mean it is so unique, the color is so different, the design is so different, the quality is absolutely amazing and I got for only rupees 145. I love these dangles. Let me just wear these to give you guys an idea how they are gonna look. This is how it looks, so pretty. I'm in love. Ninth is this glamorous snake pendant I got from Savannah for only rupees 110. Generally I go for gold color jewelry and this time I thought of trying silver color jewelry and I really like the snake pendant. Let me just show you. This is how it's gonna look. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. You tell me, how do you like it? 10th are these viral bangles from Meesho. Like every other person on Instagram or YouTube is promoting these and honestly इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. Like the way you see it on the app, it's exactly the same. The quality is really nice. बल्कि मैंने तो सोचा था कि quality इतनी amazing नहीं होगी, but honestly the quality is really nice. But yes, it does make sound. If you don't like sound, then of course you should not buy it. I am okay with sound because मैं बहुत कम डालती हूँ bangles. So if one day I wear it like once in a month or once in 2 months, and I'm all okay with the sound. बल्कि उस एक दिन जब मैं पहनूंगी मैं यही करती रहूंगी. I got for only rupees 100 and मैं already इनको 2 बार डाल चुकी हूँ, so worth it. 11th had this beautiful rhinestone earrings. I mean these look so cute and pretty at the same time. I mean look at this. It has very cutesy bows and different colored studs. I got for 145 rupees. Let me wear it and show it to you. So cute and minimalist. Oh my god, I completely forgot to tell you about the highlight of these studs. Basically you can wear it without the bow also. Like bow आप अलग से पहन सकते हो और इसको भी अलग से डाल सकते हो. And you can wear these together. Like this is so cool. Alright, then we have one more pendant from Savannah and this one is for 110 rupees. It's a very cute butterfly pendant. Let me show you the close-up of the butterfly. This is how it looks. super elegant. Then we have this stunning and trendy set of rings from Savannah, fully Pinterest inspired, and I got for 145 rupees. This is how it looks. These are like super duper in, and without giving a second thought, I'm gonna rate it a 10 on 10. And I also want to show you this ring in particular. Like, I really love the quality of this ring. I got this one from Meesho for 150 rupees. इसके साथ दो और आए थे, but उसकी क्वालिटी मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगी है. But this one, like out of those 3 rings, I really loved this one. तो मैंने अपने पुराने रिंग्स के साथ इसको मैच किया है. These look super expensive, but these are not at all expensive. Then I bought this very different black color large claw clip from Savannah for only rupees 149, again on sale. Black color goes with every outfit, so I think that's like the first main point. But the second is obviously the pearls. You know, I love pearls by now. So I have thick hair, so I always need bigger claw clips, so I found one. So अब जो एक्सेसरीज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, आई गेस आप में से बहुत से लोग शॉर्ट्स पे शायद देख चुके होंगे, क्योंकि मैंने इसका ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट्स डाल दिया है. बट स्टिल आई वांटेड टू इंक्लूड दीज एक्सेसरीज बिकॉज दीज आर सो क्यूट एंड आई हैड टू इंक्लूड दीज. So this is a very beautiful bow keychain charm and I got for 234 rupees. Strawberry charm for only rupees 174. Flower charm again for 174 rupees. And this is a very pretty shell and pearl charm for only rupees 145. Now coming to the most important and informative part of the video. So I bought this pendant on buy one get one, जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पीस दिखाया था, the favorite one. उसके साथ मैंने ये लिया था and ये मैंने वेकेशन पे पहना था. Let me show you the picture here. It looked absolutely stunning, but I wore it for more than 2-3 hours. I think more than that, 4-5 घंटे हो गए थे पहने हुए. And I went into the water. उसकी हालत ये हो गई है, ये एकदम से ख़राब हो चुका है. आई बॉट इट, आई वोर इट एंड उसके बाद ये ख़राब हो गया. नाउ इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़. आई काइंड ऑफ न्यू कि मुझे पानी में नहीं जाना चाहिए, बट वेकेशन था एंड जोश में होश खो बैठे एंड ख़राब हो गया. बट आई हैड नो आइडिया कि इतना सारा जंग लग जाएगा इसके ऊपर कि आई वोंट बी एबल टू वेयर इट अगेन. सो इसी के लिए लेट मी टेल यू केयर गाइड फॉर ज्वेलरी, ताकि आपकी ज्वेलरी वेल मेंटेन्ड रहे और क्वालिटी खराब ना हो. सो दीज आर लाइक 4 points which you have to keep in mind. First is avoid contact with chemicals. Second is avoid contact with water. Third is avoid contact for extended period of sweating. Fourth is keep tightly sealed when you're not wearing it. For that you can buy these pockets. मैंने Amazon से ली थी with a jewelry organizer. I have 60 of these. These are great to keep your jewelry maintained. And last point is the jewelry may fade, क्योंकि artificial jewelry इसकी कोई भी गारंटी नहीं है, ये खराब हो सकती है. अगर आप ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो मैंने आपको बताए हैं इसको आप फॉलो नहीं करते हो, तो आपका स्किन टाइप भी मैटर करता है. द वे यू वेयर इट दैट ऑल्सो मैटर्स. And of course these 4 points you have to keep in mind to keep your jewelry safe and maintained. That's it guys. I hope you like this video. आपको ये वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग लगी हो, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो. मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी है. These are like the recent purchases. And अगर आपको मेरा ज्वेलरी हॉल देखना है, like whatever jewelry I have in my closet, I can do a haul on that also. जो मैंने मार्केट से ली है, किसी और कंट्री से ली है, या फिर 1 महीने पहले कहीं पे ली है. If you want a random jewelry haul, comment down below. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get notification for my future videos. Stay connected, stay in touch, and do not forget to subscribe.